So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a Layercut professional. Today we're going to be learn very simplest way uniform layered 90-degree haircut. And this haircut is pretty simple way we're going to be learn something like 90-degree. And sections, majorly 3 sections will be sufficiently fine for this haircut. Side to side sections got separate, and back portion at a time we just taking one section is separate. And after that I'm just going to be explain help up to the comb as well. And the back portion we can just pick from parallelly. So before that we're starting to like one line basic. So after that we will start like layering. Pick from exactly the center profile section and 90-degree. I just will pick from pivoting sections all the in one place exactly opposite to the 90-degree like occipital bone, and we cut it off all of them in 90-degree layers. It similarly, if I can just tell you the simplest way, the technically if I may, I can just tell you the triangle shape is just picking all the hair and cutting in one place as in 90-degree layers to crown to nape area. So that is a technique we're going to be use, and sections we're taking as parallelly slicing basis. Thin section, and after that we're just going to cut. After that I come on other side. Same technique I'm just following up. After that I'm cross checking. Finally I'll come to side portion again. So before starting the layer I'm just giving one line basic. After that we're starting to the layer. For this, as it is, we pick to the vertical section in the guideline, pick from the back previous layers, and rest of the hair merging. So after that I'll come to another side. So stationary guideline picked from the back, and rest of the hair merging as layer, and the sections should be vertical sections. Thin section we just taking carry forward. So complete cut got finished. Now I'm going to show her with natural look. Complete up to the shoulder length hair layers, and almost the sufficient layers. The hair density was really good, and the texture was really straight and silky. So this open hairstyle suits very well for them. And ultimately, and finally, I'm just going to start with the same as the spiral blow dry, which can be provide more voluminous look and stunning bouncier look as well. So one section is going to be finished. So I come to another side. This is called the simplest way, the technique of used to do the haircut, which is 90-degree triangle shape of the layers. And hope you all are clearly understand the video. And please try to do this haircut for a mid to shoulder length hair who have something thick density and they was expecting something ultimately more a good bouncy layer. This is one of the best haircut for them too, suitable and silky straight hair texture. So finally I'll come to side portion. After that I come to another side. So finally I'll come to fringe crown portion. So fringe portions has going to be finished very soon. Before that, and this crown portion I'm just clean and finishing very well. It's need to be lot more finishing, which is bouncier look, which is creating nice volume over there. I'm going to finish the fringe crown portion. So it's just very much needed for a haircut, which is ambience looks so good and clean and neat as well. So in this haircut we don't have any curtain bangs or any fringes. She was expected with exactly shoulder length. It seems the length has to be carried forward both the side evenly, and top of that layers as well. So this is a complete of the final look, and I hope you all understand and enjoyed to the video. And this is one of the simplest and best way to for a giveaway straight hair and thickening hair who was expected for mid length to the shoulder length layers. This is one of them to the good haircut to be come out to the outlook was really ultimately good. So hope you all are understand and enjoyed to this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After this finishing, we're just going to start something with like fair texturing also. Before that, I'm just showing to the client completely the presentation in the front, how it will be going to carry forward and how to follow and complete up the layers when she can keep it open the hair, even styling and without styling as well. So also you guys are looking for that, you can just see very clearly the layers was flowing like boom and looking very bouncier look, and she was very much happy during up the haircut after the end finishing. So after that I'm just starting the texture. I'm going to start the texture. The section by section, thin section, I'm just going to be take as a texturing. As it is, however we done the layers, same way we picking up bulk of them here and giving to the texture finishing. So finally I'm going to another side, and this is last two sections got pending. So that is it, will be complete of the final look. The crown portion I'm just checking, cross checking, and uneven portions I'm just giving to the evenness. So hope you all are understand and enjoyed to this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And after the texture you can just see the complete of the finishing was looking clean and neat and bouncy and finishing look, and it looking completely flexible after the layers and the texture. So this is the complete of the process of the final look, which is can get with the 90-degree uniform layers. Well, we come to the upcoming days with we come back with again more new concept after the video. Until take care and be safe.